full wave voltage doubler. Full wave voltage doubler, as the name suggests, it will provide the output which will be equal to twice of the peak value of the input, and in both the cycles, in the first half cycle and in the second half cycle, or you can say in the positive half cycle and in the negative half cycle. Here Vin is applied. Vin is the input voltage. Vin is a sinusoidal signal, for example. Vin is equal to Vm. Vin is equal to Vm sin omega t, where Vm is the peak value of the input signal, and we wish to have the output which will be equal to twice of the peak value of the input, that is twice Vm. So how this circuit operates, let us try to understand. When the first half cycle of this input appears, first half cycle, that means the positive half cycle, when this half cycle appears, this terminal becomes positive and this terminal becomes negative. In this condition, what happens? In this condition, this diode, say diode D1 and diode D2, so this diode becomes forward biased and so short circuited. When this diode is forward biased and short circuited, and this diode, as the N region is connected to positive terminal here, so this diode will be reverse biased, so it will behave as open circuit. In this condition, this capacitor, say C1, is charged up to the peak value of the input signal, which is Vm. In the second half cycle, or you can say in the negative half cycle, this terminal will become, as far as polarity is concerned, this terminal become negative, this terminal will become positive in comparison to that, and in this condition, this diode will be forward biased and this diode will be reverse biased. Forward biased means short circuit, so you can show it like this, and reverse bias means open circuit. So you can show it like this, open circuit, and in this condition this capacitor will be charged with the value of, the C2 capacitor will be charged with the peak value of this input, that is Vm, and as negative is connected here, so negative, positive, Vm. And if we connect the probes of the voltmeter here, then we'll see that the output is twice of the peak value of the input, and we will get this output in both the half cycles. That is why we call it full wave voltage doubler. Thank you.